go, Kelly. Get that jump ball. Get White. Get White. Get White. Take it out. Oh, that was nice. Yeah, you good, you good. Right here. Get back, get back, get back. Nice. Good work, Kelly. Push it, push it, push it. Yes, JJ. You got it, you got it. Get back, get back. Oh, you're good, you're good. Alfie, turn it up. Nice. Yeah, yes, Kelsey? Yeah. Talk, ladies, talk, talk, talk. Get out there, Allison.
Good D.
Good work, White. Get it, Allison. Box out. Yeah, go.
All the way.
Oh.
Ooh.
Catch it first, Allison. Good pass, Abigail. All right, good look, Abigail. On the inside of her. Good D, good D.
It's all right, Abigail.
You got it, Abigail. Come on, good job. Stop it, come on. Alfie, are you jogging?
Throw it.
Alfie, don't jog through your cuts.
Let's move. It's emergency. We're just standing around. The other course without cutting in front of us. Travel.
Good D.
Travel. Hold the ball. Rebound!
Yeah,
There you go, Kelsey. Careful on that outlet.
Good D, good D! Yeah, Kelly!
Wait. Oh, white ball. How could that be blue ball? Oh.
Good hands. Oh. Go, Claire.
Yeah. Knock these down, Claire.
You got these, Claire. You got them.
There it is. Let's get a stop, White.
Good hands, Kelly. Yeah.
Travel.
Nope.
There's nobody in the basket.
Got a box out, White? Oh.
Didn't call foul. Back up, Zoe. Oh, Zoe. Good shot.
You got it, you got it.
Yeah.
Rebounding's out. Don't trip over anybody.
Good D.
Reggie Allison, get back! Allison, let's talk. Go, Kelly, go, Kelly. Yeah! Come on, knock these down, Kelly. Oh, you good, you good?
Let's get a stop, White.
Come on, White.
Bam.
Yeah.
Oh.
Get it.
Yeah, nice rebound.
Get it, Zoe.
Maybe that.
Stop ball, stop ball. Yeah, Claire.
Nice. Good, Claire. Nice help, Zoe.
Box out. Yeah.
Yeah, Kelly.
Foul. Watch those fouls, ref.
Take your time. Take your time.
Reaching.
Beautiful. Great ball movement.
Yes.
Ah.
Good.
They blocked you out.
Nice, Abigail.
Yeah, JJ. JJ, Claire. Oh.
Bam. Oh.
Shot. Shot.
Good, Kelly.
Yeah, Kelly.
Good.
He'll thread this press.
Be strong, Allison. You're good.
Good passes wide. Good passes.
Here it is. You know this bucket's right there.
Nice.
Oh.
Good try. Oh.
Good play.
Finish the next one.
Good job, Jill.
Finish the next one. Good job.
You know, stop. That was definitely a double.
Yeah.
There it is.
Hands up, Allison.
Good D. Good D, Kelsey. Good passing.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And one. Thank you.
Good job, Abigail.
Good job, Zoe. Good job, Claire. Nice.
Good work.
Good passing. It's all right.
That's yours, Kelsey. Don't miss out her, Abigail. That's good, Abigail. Yes, Allison!
Oh!
Earl, don't do that.
Don't be doing that.
She's on body center.
Don't run into him. Not if she hit it over.
Good way to see Allison. Allison, watch corner, watch corner.
Nice
Oh,
turn.
Allison.
Good job, Abigail.
Beautiful. Allison, use a pulse move.
Good passes, White. Good passes. Quick passes, JJ. Wait for the D.
Be smart, Kelly.
All the way, go.
Kelly, be
Allison, way to read it.
Look out.
Should have been a foul.
Nice.
Oh, foul.
All right. Good job, Kelly. Okay.
That should have been a foul too.
You're good, Kelly. That was also a foul. That's cool. Get back, Allison!
Yeah, Kelsey. Come out. Oh, there you go, guys. 3 seconds. Nice, Kelsey. Nice. Let it go. Good D, Kelly. That's good D. White ball. White ball. White ball. White ball. Jacqueline.
Oh, yeah!
Way to tip it.
Oh, come on. You call it now?
Go walking. Go traveling.
Thank you. Good, Kelly.
That's it.
Yes.
Oh,
Good shot.
travel.
That was a travel.
Kelsey, you gotta get those rebounds.
Follow. Harry.
Stay there, Claire. Get on the inside, Claire. Get on the inside.
Nice, Kelsey.
Go send it.
Push it, Allison. Take it. Take her, Allison. Yes. Oh.
That's all right. That's all right.
Come on, Allison. You got the next one. You got the next one.
Right here.
Allison, 12. Oh yeah, Claire!
Nice.
Nice. Beautiful, Claire.
Yeah, Claire! Good D.
Run, Carol, run. Run, Carol, run.
Allison, what's behind you?
Down the inside of that goal.
Yes, Allison!
Oh.
Keep it up. Keep going strong. Doing good, babe. Other way. Oh, Allison. Yeah, Abigail. Good shot. Use the backboard on that shot, Allison. Gotta get that, Allison. Good D, Allison. Get pressure.
It didn't touch her.
Yeah.
Nope, didn't touch her.
No, you're wrong. You blind. Why you even got glasses, dude?
No, no touch. No, no. He was right there. It didn't touch her.
That's a bad call.
I was supposed to make that call.
You got one. Kelsey Lowe, Kelsey Lowe. Kelsey Lowe, bust her out, Kelsey. Let go.
It was out of bounds. Did I not hit the ball out of bounds?
That is a walk.
Nice.
Touch it off.
Ooh, be careful, Allison. Good vision. That was good. Come on, Kelly.
That's it.
Go back up.
Take her, Abigail.
Oh,
Bam!
yeah! Now he was good. Don't let her shoot! Don't let her shoot!
When he's a shooter, watch out for.
Oh, good pass.
Careful!
Kelsey, keep bringing it up.
Come on, Kelly.
You got it, Kelly. Yeah, you got it, Kelly.
Backboards are kind of bouncy.
Get her, Kelly. Get her, Kelly. Yeah. Good D, Kelly. Yeah, JJ.
Next play.
JJ, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Next play.
Win this game.
Don't worry about that.
You're good, JJ. You're good.
You gotta watch her.
Yeah, JJ. Go ahead.
That's what I'm talking about.
Help her. Help her. Take her out. Oh, Allison, was a bad pass. Get back, Allison. What are you doing?
Yeah, JJ, good D. Good sportsmanship, number one. Good sportsmanship. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You get by.
Allison, you gotta get back.
All right, Kelsey, rebound, girl. Ball on the line. Get in there, Kelsey.
Take it, Kelly.
Nice, Abigail. Good job, Abigail. Good job, JJ. Be big, White. Be big. Behind you, Allison. Behind you. Don't fall for it. Stay there, Kel. Stay there, Kel. Stay there, Kel. Stay there, stay there.
Travel. That's not travel
Not a jump ball. How is that not a jump ball?
or travel.
Yes. Oh, thank you. Good work, Allison. Knock these down. Come on.
Out of bounds. Get in. Ball your shot at
She's going into you. Nice, Allison. Grab the ball. That's a good knee, Allison. Good knee. All right, wide the big. Good job, Kelsey. Here we go, Zoe. Watch those blocks. Watch those blocks, Zoe. Good, Zoe. Hey. Stay firmer, Zoe.
Allison, help. Allison, be ready to help.
Good, Abigail. Good help. Good help.
Yeah, Kelly, go! Oh, yeah? Woo! Oh, my God!
Nice, Kelly. Nice, Kelly.
Ooh, that was a foul. What the heck?
Thumbs up.
Yeah. Don't get me long, Allison. Don't let her catch it. Don't get me long.
Where? Don't get me long.
Oh, yeah! Oh, Allison, make your layup! Make your layups, Allison.
That's a foul. That's a foul. Go, White. Jason.
Pushing off, ref.
It's a zone.
Behind you, Zoe.
Good move.
Don't get around. There you go. Nice
Nice
defense.
Way to work, Abigail. Ah, that's a foul.
Come on. That's foul. Get a shoot, Allison.
Nice help defense.
That's a foul.
Finally.
Nice help defense, ladies. That was great.
How many fouls do you get? 6, 5, 6. Oh, yeah.
So nice finish, player.
Good stop.
Summer, Summer, good, good, Summer.
One.
Hey, bad loss. Don't worry about it.
Now you call it.
No, she didn't.
Yes, you do.
She was like mad. She was like that. That was actually a foul. But... Ooh, Allison, okay. Let's go. Good rebound.
Need a 2.
You got it, Kelly.
All right, Kelly. Focus on the next shot. There it is.
Good job, Allison.
Bravo. Yeah.
We all lucky there. Gotta communicate.
They're all wiping their shoes. Next game, make saw the travel, but not that.
Not a good call.
Help, help, help! Yeah, Claire, yeah, that.
Oh, that's a little Haley!
Foul.
Go get it, Zoe!
There you go.
Rip it!
Go, JJ! Yeah! Then give it to Claire! Get back, go!
Get the rebound!
Joe, you gotta get that.
You gotta get that.
Oh,
Yeah, Kelly.
Ooh, that was a foul on 20. She put her hands up. She knows she did it. Allison. Allison. What was that girl doing?
Good job, Kelly. Hey, Kelly, watch the ball.
Allison, watch your back.
Turn around.
Ooh, that's a foul.
Good call, man. Good call.
Finally got one. That's part of their game plan is to trap as soon as you rebound. They trap as soon as you rebound. That's part of their whole defense.
Yes, Allison! That's my girl. Oh, get there. Ooh, good help.
Way to go, straight up, Dan.
Don't let her shoot. Allison, turn around. Go up, play. Yeah! Come on, Claire.
Rebound. All right, White. You can do this. Focus. Find your man.
JJ. She does a spin move, so bait you over and then she spins back.
So Allison, focus on this finish is strong.
JJ, she goes to do that spin, you gotta tip it. Spinning her back.
You can do this, White.
Kelly wants to do.
Ooh.
Watch your back. Watch your back. Watch your back.
Nice. Come on.
Come on, baby. Come on, Allison. You got it. Come on. Oh, my God.
Nice move. Oh,
Yeah. All right, Kelsey.
good job, Kelsey.
Don't get me long. What? Oh my God.
Clock! Clock! Stop the clock! Okay. A slow stop. Foul.
Come on, Allison. There you go. Allison, which corner?
Arms up. Get her.
Get her, Allison. Gotta help, White.
Grab the ball.
Anyway, JJ, good rebound. Nugget.
Help her, Allison. Look for help.
Come on. $5.
That's what they should have known, but.
Hey,